obviously, like, I'm in uni, innit? Like, I'm in uni, I'm a young guy in uni and that, and obviously, like, getting power and everything, like you've been saying, like, not chasing tail, but at the same time, bro, like, a young guy has his needs, innit? Like, not chasing tail, innit? Like, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to
No,
get
bro,
some
bro, bro,
advice.
bro, bro. Let me just cut in there quickly, man. But bro, I never said never to move to girls. When I say don't chase women, yeah, I'm saying don't obsess. That's what I really mean, like. But it's just easier to say don't chase women. Like if I say it like that, it's easier to understand. But really and truly, bro, like, bro, I chat to girls. Like I was with a chick all last weekend, bruv. Like, do you get what I'm
That's
saying?
right.
Like, but what my thing is don't make chicks the main thing. Like, you wake up in the morning throughout your day and you go to sleep, you're thinking about girls. Because, bro, like, there's other things you need to be doing. There's more important things going on in your life at that moment. If your mind is just stuck on the constantly, you're gonna miss out on a lot of opportunities and you're probably gonna fail at certain things that you wasn't meant to fail at, bruv.
Yeah, I hear that. I hear
That's all
that.
it is, bro. Like, when you're a young guy, you're meant to be banging chicks, bruv. You're meant to be doing that, bruv.
So it's natural.
It's natural. Like, that's what, bruv, your man's testosterone is high, bro. Do you get what I'm saying? But what I'm saying is that don't let it become some crazy addiction, like that everything you do revolves around chasing a girl and chasing pussy. You're gonna fail in life because once you get into that mode of that, you're gonna waste a lot of your years. I know guys like that, bruv. Like, their whole mission was just to try and bang every single chick they could, bruv. And then now they got a couple baby mamas. They're not working a very good job. Like, they're just living like basic. And they were the man back
Yeah.
in the day. Like, they were the man. Do you get what I'm saying? But now
Mm,
they're just anything. Now the guys that wasn't getting all the girls and banging all the chicks, the guys that did apply themselves and focus, yeah, maybe they only had one girlfriend here or there. Them guys are doing a lot better in life,
yeah, it takes us time, innit?
bro. It happens every time. Press two in the chat if you know what I'm talking about. Them guys that were the man back in the day in high school and that, in college, and they were banging all the chicks. They were Mr. Popular, da 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 da, and then now they're just average at best. Yeah.
Yeah,
And then the guys that were just quiet, the guys that were just they were just in the library. They were just always reading books and revising for their tests and stuff like that, and they were getting good grades. Now they're driving the best cars and they're living in the best houses and they have all the gadgets. They have every iPhone, bruv. I've seen this a lot. I'm not saying completely hide and avoid women. I'm not saying that. Like, that's crazy. Like, you go nuts. Yeah, you
yeah,
go
yeah,
crazy.
exactly.
Yeah. But what I'm saying is that, like, bro, like, don't overdo it. Don't go over the top with it, bro. You don't have to go to
Yeah,
the club every weekend, bro. Do you get what I'm saying?
yeah, I hear
Some
that.
weekends you
Yeah,
might need
yeah,
to
yeah.
work the whole weekend.
There's like a fine line between like obviously over chasing and like doing your thing as well.
And I was talking about this with my boy yesterday, yeah. Because I was talking
Mm.
to him about, yeah, what's the saying, like, what's your new chick saying and that, yeah. And he was
Mm.
like, bro, I've had to take a back seat from that, bruv. Like, I had to take a step back because it's a lot of time and energy, bruv. Because what was it? 2 weeks before he was showing me all the girls that he was talking to now, and then like yesterday he was like, bro, like I'm not really trying to talk to these girls too hard now. Like, he showed me the messages, loads of them he just left them. He ain't even replied to a lot of these girls because he's focused on what he needs to do, his work.
Yeah,
Like, and another thing you always got to remember, these girls are always gonna be there, bro.
like, I hear everything you're saying in it. Like I hear the advice. At the same time, like being young, like you need something to like you need something to work towards. Like you need something to like keep the fire burning.
At the end of the day, yeah, you can chat to girls. I say this, yeah, on the road to your success. So what I mean by that is, like, you're on the way to class, or you're on the way to the library, or you're in the library, or you're at work, or you're on the way to work, or you're on the way back home from work, you're on the way to the gym, you're in the gym. In those kind of little scenarios, yeah, you may see a girl that you might want to chat to, bruv. But you're still on the road to your success. You're basically still moving forward with your goals and ambitions. But if you see a
Yeah,
girl on, like, while you're doing what you need to be doing, yeah, chat to her. Of course you should.
Yeah. Yeah.
But don't detour off the road or off the path for too long. Do you get what I mean? Like for instance, I'll give you a quick example. Yeah, I'm somebody that goes to the gym quite a lot. Yeah, I go to the gym quite a lot. A lot of the girls I've smashed have been from the gym, from various gyms that I've been to. Now, the fact of the matter is, I'm still going to the place I need to go to get my results. But it just so happens that our girls are around in that environment, in that vicinity, and I can chat to them. Now, I'm still doing what I should be doing, but I'm still chatting to girls and still getting that fix. Do you get what I'm saying, bro? Like, I'm not like, I'm not going gym today because I'm going to go to the shopping center and look for girls. That would be the complete wrong way to do it. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do my live stream because I'm gonna go and sit on the phone with 3 girls and see which one of them will link me on Friday.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying now, bro?
Yeah, I hear that.
Put your goals and ambitions first, always, bro. Girls, women are always gonna be there, bro. And I'll be real with you as well. Even if you have a girlfriend, still put your goals and ambitions first. That's some tough shit. That's the next level, bruv.
Yeah.
Because a lot of guys, once they get a girlfriend now, everything's about their girlfriend. Blood, your girlfriend will leave you or cheat on you, bruv. Because you've forgotten your purpose. You've forgotten your mission, bruv. Your mission is probably the reason why she got with you. That's probably one of the reasons why she even likes you. Now, you've foregone that to focus everything and all your energy on the chick when she doesn't even want you to do that. Yes, she may say she wants you to do that, but she doesn't really. Not really.
Nah, yeah,
she wants you to stay. She wants you to be the guy that she first liked. To stay that guy. So focus on what you're doing, my bro. I'm telling you, bro. You don't want to make the mistake, and then, because at the end of the day, when it all goes up and it fucks up, bro, you can't blame the girl. You have to blame yourself, bro.